In this video, I'm going to show you how to pin a comment on TikTok. Let's go.
So here's what you need to do. You need to go to TikTok. You go to the video where you want to pin a comment. I'm going to write this comment here. Then you post the comment, obviously. And then what you need to do is you just tap with your finger. You hold your finger on the comment and then you select pin comment. And there you go. That's it. It's done. If you want to unpin it, you do the same. You put your finger on the comment, hold it, and then you unpin the comment. And I'm actually going to delete this. You could do this with a comment that somebody else posts, right? So for instance, if I wanted to pin this comment by Pamela Finance, I could do the same. I would just hold my finger on it and then tap pin the comment. And then that is it. It's pinned. And unpin, same thing. That's how it's done.
So that was easy, wasn't it? I hope you found this video helpful. Now, pinning a comment will help your videos be shown to more people, and I'll explain to you why. The more people comment, the more TikTok will show your videos. It's not the only metric that's going to help TikTok show your videos to more people, but it definitely helps if the video gets a lot of engagement. So here's a little tip for you. Pin a comment with a question. So publish your video first, then write a question. You can say, do you have that problem too? Or what video would you like me to do next? Or did you enjoy this? Or anything really that asks a question. So that will encourage people to answer back. Pin that question. And then, make sure you reply to all the replies to your comment. That will definitely help your videos be shown to more people. I hope you found this helpful. If you did, please give the video a like. If you enjoy my content, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, anything you don't know to do on TikTok, check my playlist. My tutorials playlist is full of TikTok tutorials, and if you don't find the answer there, just post your question in a comment below this video, and it will be a pleasure for me to make a video for you. If you enjoyed this video, my guess is you'll enjoy this one next. Bye for now.